Discover the potential of Moringa, enhance your well-being and achieve weight management with nature's marvel. Moringa, known as the superfood powerhouse, is revolutionizing health with its nutrient-rich profile. Originating from the Moringa oleifera tree, its leaves, pods, and seeds enhance wellness and vitality. What sets Moringa apart is its exceptional nutrient density. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, it offers more iron than spinach and more vitamin C than oranges, making it a nutritional marvel. Moringa is also a natural energy booster. Unlike the temporary buzz from caffeine, Moringa's high vitamin and mineral content supports sustained energy levels throughout the day, enhancing overall productivity and well-being. The antioxidant properties of Moringa are another key benefit. These compounds fight oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals, protecting cells and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Supporting immune health is another of Moringa's superpowers. Its high vitamin A and C content not only fortifies the body's defenses but also improves the immune response, keeping illnesses at bay. Moringa has been hailed for its ability to enhance digestive wellness. Its high fiber content aids in promoting regular bowel movements, while its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe the digestive tract. This makes it an excellent addition to any diet focusing on gut health. The plant's rich anti-inflammatory compounds are also effective in reducing pain and swelling naturally. Moringa offers a holistic approach to managing conditions like arthritis, providing a natural alternative to traditional painkillers with fewer side effects. Balancing blood sugar levels is another remarkable benefit of incorporating Moringa into your daily routine. Its compounds help stabilize glucose levels in the blood, making it a promising supplement for those managing diabetes and looking for natural solutions. Moringa's impact on heart health cannot be overstated. Its potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties work together to protect the cardiovascular system. This includes reducing cholesterol levels and preventing plaque formation in the arteries, safeguarding the heart. The brain-boosting benefits of Moringa include enhanced focus and memory. Its high content of vitamins E and C fights oxidative stress in the brain, which can lead to improved cognitive function. This makes Moringa an ideal supplement for those looking to maintain sharp mental acuity. Moringa, often hailed as a miracle herb, is a treasure trove for skin health. Its high vitamin C content boosts collagen production, ensuring your skin radiates a youthful glow. The antioxidants present in Moringa protect the skin from harmful pollutants and UV rays, acting as a natural shield against aging and skin damage. The rich mineral content in Moringa, including calcium and magnesium, plays a crucial role in strengthening bones and joints. These nutrients aid in the prevention of bone density loss and alleviate joint discomfort, making Moringa an essential supplement for those seeking to enhance their skeletal health and mobility. Moringa's detoxifying properties are another remarkable benefit. It supports liver function, helping to cleanse the body of toxins. This process not only improves overall health but also contributes to clearer, more vibrant skin by eliminating impurities that can lead to breakouts and dullness. Stress and poor sleep are common issues in today's fast-paced world, but Moringa offers a natural solution. Its high magnesium content helps to reduce stress levels and promote relaxation, while the amino acid tryptophan enhances sleep quality by stimulating serotonin production. In the realm of weight management, Moringa stands out for its ability to naturally balance appetite hormones. This makes it easier to maintain a healthy weight or shed unnecessary pounds. Its high fiber content also aids in digestion, making you feel fuller for longer periods and reducing the urge to snack. Moringa has gained attention for its potential in fat loss, notably through its effects on metabolism and appetite control. Its rich nutrient profile can help boost metabolic rate, while the fiber in its leaves aids in keeping hunger at bay, supporting healthier eating habits. Incorporating Moringa into your diet doesn't have to be complicated. Whether it's sprinkling powdered leaves into smoothies, brewing Moringa tea, or using its oil in salads, there are various ways to enjoy its benefits daily. Despite its numerous health advantages, some myths about Moringa persist, such as it being a cure-all. It's important to approach it as a supplement to a balanced diet, not a substitute for medical treatment. Testimonials from individuals who've incorporated Moringa into their routines highlight its positive impact on health and weight management. Stories range from improved energy levels and digestion to noticeable weight loss and enhanced overall well-being. Embracing Moringa can be a step toward a healthier, happier life. Its diverse benefits, from supporting weight management to boosting immune health, make it a valuable addition to anyone's health regimen. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you found this information helpful.